tell you all about the new cake kit that we just created, and it gives you all the equipment and ingredients to make 3 separate little heart cakes in the shape of conversation hearts. I created custom stencils just for this project, and it gives you 4 different sayings, an edible food marker, of course, cake mix and frosting mix that are delicious, and step-by-step instructions that will show you how to use 6 packs of fondant, and rolling pin, fondant smoother, and all the other things that are inside. It's over 5 pounds worth of equipment and ingredients. So I hope you like it. And of course, if you have any questions, you can reach us anytime through the comment section on our website or at confetticakes.co on Instagram. And I can't wait to see what you think.